Hi, today we're going to learn about measuring spoons, and this is really important. A lot of people know about it because they've taken classes in junior high or high school. That's how I learned about it many years ago. And so this is just for those people who don't happen to know about the differences on the measuring spoons. And I'm going to have a little diagram for you so you can see the differences. So here are some measuring spoons. This biggest one right here is the tablespoon. And whenever you see a recipe that has capital T, or it'll have capital T, B, and then small case BPS, BSP, that means TS, anyway, I'll have to just, okay, so the tablespoon. Then we've got the teaspoon. And the teaspoon is smaller than the tablespoon. It takes 3 teaspoons to make a tablespoon. On recipes, you're going to see the teaspoon as a small t or as a small TSP. And if the recipe says half a tablespoon, that means half of 3 teaspoons. So half of 3 is 1.5. So then you would use the 1 teaspoon and then the half teaspoon for half of a tablespoon. Okay, so then on the most measuring spoons are going to have the tablespoon, they're going to have the teaspoon, they're going to have half a teaspoon, and then a 1/4 of a teaspoon. And they might even have 1/8 of a teaspoon, which is pretty close to a pinch, grabbing a pinch of something. So that's basically what you need to know about the measuring spoons. Whenever you follow a recipe, you're going to want to use the knife and go straight across so you have exactly 1 tablespoon. Some recipes will call for a heaping tablespoon, and then you can have a pile. But most of the time you want to get the recipe exact if you want the recipe to work out perfectly. So that's basically it. Big T or big T BSP, small t or TSP for teaspoon, and half a teaspoon is half with a small t, and then a 1/4 of a teaspoon. So that's what you need to know about measuring spoons, basics for cooking.